Hello students, hope you all will be fine. Let's start today's lesson is chapter number 3, Cell Part 2. First topic is cell specialization. In multicellular organisms, cells are specialized to perform their specific roles. Daughter cells formed by mitosis process undergo changes in a process called differentiation. They alter in size, structure, metabolic activities, and physiological responses. As a result, they become specialized in their role in the body. Some examples of the specialized cells are epidermal cells of plants form protective covering of root, stem, and leaves. They are flattened cells which pack tightly to form a continuous outer layer of the plant body. Epidermal cells having some additional role are modified accordingly. For example, root hair cells which absorb water and minerals from the soil, and guard cells of leaves which regulate the opening and closing of stomata. They also help to reduce the water loss through transpiration and protect internal tissues from mechanical injury and pathogens. Mesophyll cells are photosynthetic cells of plants. They are present in plant leaves. They contain a large number of chloroplasts, chlorophyll, and other photosynthetic pigments are anchored in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. These pigments absorb light energy and use it to produce food in photosynthesis process. Mesophyll cells in plants also help in the gaseous exchange, that is, exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen with their atmosphere. Red blood cells are hemoglobin-filled cells to transport oxygen in the body. They are biconcave disc-shaped cells. This shape provides more surface area to absorb and release oxygen. Nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are absent. Red blood cells accommodate more hemoglobin. These cells are very flexible so they can easily pass through blood capillaries. The average age of red blood cell is 120 days. They help to absorb and release oxygen and circulate it throughout the body. Neurons are the cells of nervous system. They are responsible for coordination in animals' bodies. To accomplish this job, their structure is very unique. A neuron cell has a cell body and two types of cytoplasmic fibers. One of them are dendrites, which conduct nerve impulses to the cell body. Others are axons, which conduct messages away from the cell body. Muscle cells have ability to contract and relax. Locomotion, breathing movements, blood pumping by the heart, change in size of eye pupil, peristaltic contraction of the gut, speech movements of the tongue and lips, etc. are result of the muscle contraction. To produce contraction, muscle cells have elongated shape and are filled with actin and its associated contractile proteins. Liver cells are almost round in shape and have prominent nucleus and abundance of cytoplasmic organelles. They are metabolically most active cells of the body. Their few important roles are storage of glycogen, iron, and some vitamins, detoxification of toxic substances, production of clotting proteins of blood, recycling of old red blood cells. Our next topic is division of labor within a cell. Within a cell, different organelles perform their assigned roles. Mitochondria act as powerhouse of the cell as they produce energy for the cell. Ribosomes remain engaged in protein synthesis. Chloroplasts harvest light energy to manufacture organic food. For the normal survival and functioning of a cell, its organelles must do their specified jobs. The performance of given function by different organelles is the division of labor. Cell is the unit of life, so a cell can perform all basic function of life. A cell can respire, take and utilize nutrients, grow in size, reproduce, show movement, etc. In unicellular organisms, a single cell lives as an organism and performs all these life processes independently. A huge number of cells assembles a body of multicellular organism. In multicellular organism, it is not possible for billions or trillions of cells to perform all life tasks independently. So cells arrange in groups to perform some given role. A group of cells performing same function is called tissue. The cell originating from same zygote change their cell lines and differentiate into unique structures suitable for their roles. Muscle cells are elongated to make the body parts move by their contractions. Neurons form thin cytoplasmic fibers to conduct messages in the body. Muscle cells and neurons cannot exchange their function. Similarly, red blood cells transport oxygen and carbon dioxide, and bone tissues provide mechanical support. In plants, mesophyll cells prepare food by photosynthesis process, and phloem cell transport this food to all parts of the plant body. Around 220 types of cells are identified in human body. These cells are vary in their size, shape, and role. However, all these types of cells have a common origin. They all develop from a single cell, the zygote. A cell which gives rise to cells of other types is called the stem cells. The zygote is very basic stem cell which has ability to produce all kinds of cell and organism. In sexually reproducing organisms, life starts from zygote. As the development progresses, different cell lines are formed. Each cell line has its own stem cell. Brain, liver, and other body tissues are products of stem cells. Stem cells by themselves are not differentiated and are unspecialized. Each daughter cell produced by division of a stem cell has capacity to remain unspecialized stem cell or differentiate into mature cell of some tissues. So, stem cells divide, renew themselves, and daughter cells differentiate into distinct cell types. Hope the concepts which are given in this video are clear to you. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos.